With County High head coach Lee Gibson, I'm Mick Gillispie. Coach, big game this week. We'll have it here on Tide 99.1 Friday night. County High plays Hoover, a team that since 2000 has won 10 of 13 state titles. This year 7A, and done all that in 6A, but they're undefeated in region, undefeated in the state of Alabama, and a huge task.
Well, you know, it's a huge task. Like I said, I don't know if anybody's going to be close to beating them this year in state. You know, Mountain Brook was close as 112 now, but you know, they really didn't do a whole lot offensively against them. They were able to slow them down defensively, but you know, they kind of just been wearing everybody out in the state. They're number one team in the state for a reason. A lot of guys that committed played Division I football, and it's going to be a tough task. But our kids better be looking forward to it. You know, I think we're one of the few teams that year in and year out are not intimidated to play. We've been fortunate enough in the past to play some good games to beat them. Probably as many as anybody has. Again, I think they're 189 and 19 since 2000, and a couple of those are 19 for us. But you know, it's going to be a tough task. You know, but our kids are looking forward to it. It's senior night, so it's always a big night for us. Get your honor and recognize our seniors. It's also our breast cancer awareness game. We're asking anybody to wear pinks in the game. Just make a donation this week. It's like some foundation, whether it's been the TCHS Breast Cancer Foundation or one of the online organizations, but we're trying to bring awareness to breast cancer affecting so many people around. You should have think about at least one person has been affected with it, so we're just trying to help raise awareness and hopefully get some people to make some donations.
Game is Friday night. You can listen to it at 6:45. We'll have the 7 o'clock kickoff. If you come to the game, bring your radio. Wear pink. Again, it's the first home game in a few weeks here. County High and Hoover at County High's football field, Wildcat Stadium, 7 o'clock this Friday night. See you there. Or you can listen on Tide 99.